Change is inevitable, yet change is really difficult for a lot of us. Today I'm going to talk to you about a model of change management that I created after working with hundreds of organizations and thousands of people. What is this change management model? It's a very simple model which talks about three things. Let me take you through these three things. The first thing is awareness. Now, what do we mean by awareness? Whatever change we're trying to create, is there awareness about the problem that exists? Why are we changing what we are changing? And if we are telling people to change, we need to make sure that they're aware that the change is required. So, are these people aware of the need to change? So, when I say awareness, I mean, are they aware of the need to change, which is very, very important. Because if somebody is not aware of the need to change, which means they are not aware of the problem that they're facing, they will never change. Let's move on to the second extremely important part of ADA model, which is desire to change. So the first one was, am I aware of the problem? The second point is, do I really want to change? Because if I don't want to change, nobody can change me. I may be aware of the problem. I've seen people who are aware of their problem, but they don't want to change. They are content with that problem. So no matter how hard I push, no matter how much I can try to convince them that they should change, they will not change because they don't have the desire to change. The last but not the least is their ability to change. So people may be aware of the problem. They may even want to change and they have the desire to change. But the question is, do they have the ability to change? Now, you could be into sales, you could be a learning and development professional, or you could be just a leader of an organization. Whenever you try to change somebody or change somebody's attitude towards life, just make sure you strategize according to the ADA model. Because if the awareness is not there, we need to educate them about the problems. We need to also educate them about the consequences of these problems later on in their lives. Because some problems may result in disasters in the future, not right now. The second thing is, if they are not willing to change, make them realize and make them understand why it is so important for them to change and create their willingness to change. And last but not the least, if they're not able to change, help them create that ability to change. So we all need to change, my dear friends. And in order to change, we need to look deeper into the change management process and work on the ADA process or ADA model of change management. Awareness, desire, and ability. Thank you so much for your time today.